double.
Yes, that is now. Now is it okay?
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, see now. Let's go to tuple now. Okay. Tuple, as I said in the last part, is nothing but it is a sequence of immutable Python objects. It is same as list, but the only difference here we'll be having is as list elements can be changed, okay? But here tuple can't be changed. Unlike list and tuples are written in round brackets, and whereas for list we'll be using square brackets, okay? So how we'll be creating a particular tuple. See here, this is the syntax for creating a tuple, a simple tuple, okay? This tuple is equal to, in this particular braces, we'll be giving the elements in it, okay? And we'll be printing the output in this way, okay? So remember one thing about tuple. Tuple is same as list, but the only difference which we have is in list, we can change the items, okay? But whereas coming to tuple, it is unchangeable. Once we enter elements into tuple, we can't change it or update it, okay? Only it works as a snapshot, okay? Coming to the basic tuple operations which we have, okay? Comparatively to list, we have same, but some of the operations can't be done in tuple as it is unchangeable. We have only five operations which we can perform on tuple. First one is length. If we want to find out the number of elements in a particular tuple, then you'll be giving this particular Python expression, okay? Length of 1, 2, 3. So the result would be 3, okay? Next tuple operation we are having is concatenation, amma. Okay, let us suppose that there are two tuples, okay? First tuple consists of 1, 2, and 3 elements, and second tuple consists of 4, 5, and 6 elements, okay? When we perform concatenation on these two tuples, the resultant will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? Repetition, same. For repetition, what is the operand we'll be using or operator will be using for repetition? We'll be using star, okay? So whenever you want to repeat a particular element in a tuple, you need to give that particular element star how many times you want to repeat that particular element, okay? Then here in this example, I have given high and I want to repeat it for 4 times. So how high I have given it? You open round braces. In that, I type high and close it and star 4. Okay. By doing that, you'll be the high which is there in the particular tuple will be repeated for 4 times. Okay. As you can see the result. Next, we have membership. In membership, we have two. Okay. One is in and one is not in. Okay. And here the Python expression which we want to give is the example here I'm showing 3 in 1, 2, 3. So if 3 is present in the given tuple list of elements, then the result will be shown true. And if it is not present in it will be showing false. Okay. Next one and the last one we have is iteration. So whenever we want to perform iterations in tuples, what we need to do is you need to use loops. Okay. So the basic for loop which we'll be giving here is for x in 1, 2, 3. You need to print x. Okay. So if for x is the element which we want to be present in the particular tuple. Okay. If that particular element is present in your tuple, then the result will be out. Okay. These are the basic operations which we'll be performing on tuples. Next are the built-in tuple functions which are present here. Okay. First one is if you want to compare a particular two particular tuples. Okay, what is the function we'll be using here is CME. That is nothing but it compares two tuples. Okay, and returns if it returns true if tuple 1 is greater than tuple 2, or otherwise it will be giving false if tuple 1 is not greater than or less than tuple 2. Okay, and next second one is if you want to find the length of particular tuple. Okay, you can give len of tuple. Okay, then it calculates the length of that particular tuple. Okay, and next third function we have is match of tuple. It returns the maximum element of the tuple. Okay, and next minimum of tuple. Min of tuple, it returns the minimum element which is present in the tuple. Okay, and next fifth one we have is tuple of sequence. That is, it converts the specified sequence to the tuple. That is nothing but you can give any type of sequence in that one, and that particular sequence can be converted into a tuple. Okay, so these are the basic functions as well as operations which are present in tuples. Okay, so next topic which we are having is a dictionary. What is a dictionary? Anyone? Anvesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anvesh, what is a dictionary, ma? What is the difference between list, tuple, and a dictionary?
Ma'am, dictionary is array up. Sorry, keys to values, ma'am. Array Indra. Wait. Ma'am, arranging keys to values, ma'am. Dictionaries.
Okay, so a dictionary is nothing but it is a collection which is unordered, okay, changeable, and indexed. Okay, in Python, dictionaries are written with curly braces and they have keys and values. Okay, so there are some of the dictionary methods here. First method is clear. Okay, if you want to remove all the elements from the dictionary, you need to use this particular method, clear. Okay, next you have copy method. It returns a copy of a dictionary. Okay, that is nothing but you have a dictionary which consists of some keys and values. If you want to copy it, the original dictionary will be remaining, but we can make a copy of the original dictionary. Okay, same as a photocopy of your particular document. How you make it? Okay, in the same way you will be getting a dictionary copy in return if you are giving copy method. Okay, next we are have is from keys method. What it does is it returns a dictionary with a specified keys and values. And next you have is get method. In this get method, we'll be using in order to return the value of a specified key. Okay, we have executed some programs previously, right? There you are specifying a particular key, and if you are giving this get method on dictionary, you'll be getting the value of it, right? Or you have forgotten? Yes, ma. In your Python lab, we have executed a program, right? We have given a dictionary, which consists of keys and values. And once you specified a particular key, the value is displayed. For that one, what method you have used? Get method, right? Okay. So for that reason, we can use get method. And next one we have is items. Okay, items method. Why we'll be using this items method is in order to return a list which is containing a tuple for each key value pair. Okay. And next one is keys. Keys returns a list containing the dictionary keys. Okay. If you are giving keys method, what happens is it will display all the keys which are present in the dictionary, which you have given. Okay. Next, pop. What does pop do? Why pop is used? Yesterday's class, I have explained what pop is used for, right?
Remove the elements.
Yes. In order to remove the element with a specified key, here you will be using
Ma'am.
pop method. Okay. In list, there is no particular key to mention, but here in dictionary we have key set values, right? So if you want to remove any element from the dictionary, if you specify the particular key with pop, then that particular element will be removed. Okay. Next one is pop item method. Using this pop item method, we can remove the last inserted key value pair. Okay. Let us suppose that there is a dictionary which consists of some 10 key and value pairs. Okay. So whenever you are using pop item method, what happens is it will be removing the key value pair which is inserted last in that particular dictionary. Okay. That is the main difference between pop and pop item. Both are not same. Okay. Next is set default method. It returns the value of a specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. Okay. Next, update method is there. Updates generally will be using in order to update the dictionary with a specified key value pairs. Okay. Once you insert some key value pairs into that one, you can use this particular update method so that the dictionary is updated with the specified key value pairs. Okay. Next one is value method. Value method returns a list of all the values which are present in the dictionary. Okay. So are you clear with the dictionary methods, ma? Yes or no? If you have any doubts, please ask.
No doubts, ma'am.
All the dictionary methods are clear? I'll explain all these methods with examples in your lab today. Okay. Okay. You have lab, right? 5th, 6th, 7th. At that time, I'll explain all these dictionary methods. Again, you can execute your with your programs. Okay. Next is arrays. Okay. So what is the difference between arrays and list? In previous classes, I have discussed the difference between array and list, right? Okay, see, array is a collection of items stored in contiguous memory locations. Okay, the idea is to store multiple items of a same type together. What is the difference between array and list now? In list, we can store the elements or items which are of different data types, right? But whereas coming to array, it is the collection of items stored at contiguous memory locations. That is nothing but the same data type. Multiple items can be stored in an array at a time. Okay, see here, there is an example int array of 10. Okay, whereas int is the data type which we have given, and array name, you can give any name for that particular array. And here in the square braces, we have mentioned the size of the array. Okay. And here in the flower braces, we have given the elements. Okay, the number of elements. See, and in array, we'll be defining the elements using index. Okay, index will be used in order to know the size of that particular array. Okay, are you clear with the topics? Till now, which I have explained. Next you have is list. Yes, ma. Yes. Who is it?
Ma'am, please explain array once again.
Array. Okay. Okay. See. Okay. See. List. What is the list, ma? List is nothing but it consists of multiple items which are of different data type together. Okay, it can be changeable. Okay, it can be updated and all. But list is same as array, but the main difference is array can store multiple items of same type together. But whereas list, it can store multiple items of different data type together. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You remember one thing, array can't store multiple data type, multiple data type items together at a time. Whereas list, it can contain multiple items of different data types, right? See list.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you got it? Okay,
Yes.
next
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have is list comprehension. Okay, why we use this list comprehension? What actually is list comprehension? List comprehension is nothing but this is offered in order to use shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the existing list. Okay, got it? See, for example, I have a list which consists of fruits. Okay, I have list name fruits, which consists of apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. Okay, and I want to create a new list which consists of, that is a fruit which consists of letter A in the name. Okay, so without comprehension, what you need to do, you need to write a first statement with conditional test inside. So this is how your program will be without list comprehension. Okay, you need to create a particular list. Okay, you need to create a new list wherein for X in fruits, if A in X, the new list will be appending the particular items, then you will be printing the new list. Okay, this is the process which will be going on if we don't use list comprehension. Okay, but when we use list comprehension, we can do all that with only one line of code. That is nothing but your list fruits will consist all the elements. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. And in the new list, you can simply give X for X in fruits if A in X. Okay, so here you will be getting the new list simply. So using list comprehension, generally the syntax will be shorter. Okay, and you can create a new list based on the existing values according to our requirement. And here you need to remember that whenever you are creating a new list, the old list will remain same. Okay, new list will be created, but with new that is nothing but with our requirements. Okay, a new list will be created and the old one will remain same. So this is the syntax we will be using in order to create a new list. Okay, new list is equal to expression for item in iterable if condition is equal to true. Okay, so the new what is the return value we'll be having? We'll be getting a new list and leaving the old list unchanged. Okay, next is condition in list iteration. Okay, so what is the condition here? Condition is like a filter that only accepts the items that evaluate to true. Okay, see the example here, ma. The condition is optional and it can be omitted. But see, first example here, only accept items that are not apple. Okay, this is the condition you have. So for that one, if X is not equal to apple. Okay, if you are giving this simple condition here, you'll be getting the items, that is from fruits, the items which are not other than apple will be displayed. Okay, and other thing we can do is without using if, we can create a new list as well. Without if statement, the new list will be new list is equal to X for X in fruits. simply we can give in that way. Okay. So this is about the condition you have now. Are you clear with list comprehension? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see the execution of this. Okay. See, this is without using list comprehension, right? Yes. See, are you able to see the program, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, this is the program. Okay. A program which consists of a list fruits which have elements apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. Okay. You want to create a new list wherein the fruits which consists of A should be appended in the new list. Okay. So let's run it. Okay. Okay. So these are the elements which consist of A in that particular list, right? Are you able to see the output, Amma?
Ma'am, we
No,
cannot
ma'am.
see, ma'am.
No, right? Okay. See now. Okay. This is the output we'll be getting for this program. See, for this program, this is the output which we got. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next, we want to execute this one, right? Will you people execute this one in today's lab?
How should we execute, ma'am?
You don't have your mobiles and laptops. You
We
can
don't have-
execute
yeah,
in online.
Ma'am, laptop is not there. Ma'am.
No, ma, you you have online executions, right? You have an online platform where you can execute Python programs as well. Okay, today's programs, lab programs which are there, you can execute there itself. You don't
Week
require
4, ma'am.
any.
Week 3.
In
Yes. Ma'am, week 4, ma'am.
Yes, week.
Online
Into ma. Yes, Vishal.
I don't have online in my mobile now.
Then how you are attending the class? No, ma, you can find.
Program. How do we do program with my mobile now?
You can type your program, Python programs in your online websites where you can execute them as well.
Ma'am,
Okay, you have particular sites. I'll just mail you them. You can check them and you can run the programs over there. Okay.
okay, ma'am. You keep one mail, ma'am.
Yes.
Link, keep one link, ma'am. Through that we will join that.
Okay. Same
Link,
link
keep link, ma'am. Okay.
You'll be joining in this link only, but you'll be I'll be showing the programs for you and you can try to execute them. Okay, you have the questions, right?
Ma'am, answers?
Answers you need to find out, right? Did you see the questions for that one?
No, ma'am. You keep in Telegram, ma'am, that link. Vinay has created a new Telegram link now, a group
Okay,
now in
okay,
that.
okay, I'll do that. Okay, so for today's class, anyone have any doubts in that one, Amma? Till now, whatever topics I have explained today, do you have any doubts in that?
No.
Yesterday's
No,
class
ma'am.
has been cleared, right? No doubts till date. List comprehension, everyone is clear, Amma? Okay, because from now on, maximum we'll be using these types of all syntaxes and we'll be executing the programs. So if you have any doubts related to this one, list comprehension, please ask me. Okay.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now shall I take the attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have a list given by CR. Please tell me whether these are the correct one. Okay. Roll number 10 is absent. Yes. Roll
We
number
don't know,
10.
ma'am. Just take attendance who are present.
Okay, 1 second then. Wait for a second. Okay. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2. 2 is present or absent? Roll number 2.
Present, ma'am.
2 is present. 3. 3.
Bhanuteja, ma'am. He
Bhanuteja, is there or left?
he's there, ma'am, but not responding.
I don't see him.
In class.
Bhanu, third rule number. ma'am. Bhanu.
Yeah, Banu is there. Then
Yes,
where
ma'am.
is he? Okay. 4. 4 is present. Yes, 4 is present. Who is 5? Roll number 5.
Charan, ma'am. Charan.
Ma'am, 4 is present, ma'am.
5, 5. I know. 5. But still, there are some students who are not logged in with their roll number. Please do that because we can't
Charan
identify
is
you
not
people.
there,
Right?
ma'am.
Yes, Charan is
Charan
not
is
there.
absent. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 5 is absent. Next, 6.
Present, ma'am.
7.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, 8.
Yes, ma'am.
9. 9.
9. Harini, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 10. 10. 10 is absent, right? Okay, 11.
Present, ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am.
13.
Present, madam.
15. 15. 15 is absent. 16.
Present, ma'am.
17. Rahul is present. 18.
Present, ma'am. 18.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
20 is absent, ma'am. Rikshit.
Okay. 21. 21 is also absent. 22, 23, 24 are present. 25 is present. 26, 27, 28, 29,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
30.
Ma'am, 28 is present.
Yes, yes, I saw. 20, 30.
Absent, ma'am.
30 is absent.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, 31.
Shashikant also absent, ma'am.
Okay, 32 is present, 33 present, 34, 35 is present, 36, 37, 38. 38
Vaibhav,
is
ma'am.
absent.
Vaibhav
Vaibhav is-
absent.
No, actually, Vaibhav was in another link. I saw him.
Oh,
Someone please tell him how to log in, please. Because he was in actual link which was shared prior to this one. Okay, please someone inform him. Vaibhav
Okay,
was
ma'am.
present. Okay, his roll number is
Okay.
38, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
38.
Next, 39, 40, 41,
Remaining
42,
all of us.
43. Yes, okay. So the absentees are 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 30, and 31. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma. Okay. Okay, guys, I'll leave.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And yes, ma.
Ma'am, I found one online Python editor, ma'am. Online
Yes.
Python, ideally. It is
Yes.
good.
Yes, you can execute your programs there and can share to me. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
In your mobiles also it will be working. There are
Excuse
editors. Yes.
ma'am, Realme 8S 5G. One name is
Yes.
there, ma'am. I don't
Yes.
know who is he.
Yeah, that is the doubt which I have. You please wait a minute.
Okay.
Realme
Who is that? Realme 8S 5G. I don't know the person. Who is this? You just find out the candidate, Amma. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, then I'll. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
205.
205. 205 is Realme 8S 5G. That is the name for that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharan, ma'am. Sharan. Is that
Tell him to please change it, Amma. Otherwise, he'll be in problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll leave then. Okay. Take care. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.